If you want to make your Facebook completely private, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact privacy settings you need to change so you can control who sees your posts, your friends list, and other personal information. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and by the end, your Facebook account will be much more private than it was before. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Let's get started. First, go to Facebook and click your profile picture in the top right corner. This opens your account menu where you'll find all of your main settings. From here, click Settings and Privacy and then click Settings. This takes you into the full Facebook settings dashboard. Once you're inside Settings, look for the Privacy section and click on it. This is where Facebook lets you control who can see your activity and personal details. The first thing you want to change is who can see your future posts. Find the option that says who can see your future posts and set it to only me if you want maximum privacy. If you still want friends to see your post, you can choose friends instead, but for the most private setup, only me is the best choice. Next, look for who can see your friends list. This is an important one because many people forget to change it. Set this to only me, so other people can't browse your connections. That one change alone makes your profile much more private. Now go through the rest of the privacy-related options and make similar adjustments. Anywhere Facebook gives you a choice between public, friends, or only me, choose the most private setting that makes sense for you. The idea is to move everything from friends or public to only me wherever possible. This helps keep your profile, activity, and personal details away from people you don't know. Take your time and review each setting carefully. Facebook has a lot of privacy controls, and even one missed option can leave information visible that you didn't want to share. If you use your account for personal communication, photos, or private updates, these settings are especially important. After you've finished adjusting the privacy options, it's a good idea to go back and double-check your selections. Make sure future posts are set correctly, make sure your friends list is hidden, and make sure any other visible options are set to the level of privacy you want. Once you're satisfied, your Facebook account will be much more locked down. So that's how you make your Facebook completely private in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.